Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile.
Golf Echo Lima, Roger. I just need to speak to Heathrow Tower, but you are clear to enter the London controls on Hotel 9, southbound, hold north of Sipson initially. Stand altitude.
Cleared Hotel 9, southbound, hold north of Sipson. Standard altitude, Golf Echo Lima.
Golf Echo Lima, confirm visual Heathrow.
A firm, Golf Echo Lima.
Roger, hold north of Sipson, contact Heathrow Tower 118.705.
Contact Heathrow Tower 118.705, remain north of Sipson, Golf Echo Lima. Heathrow Tower, helicopter Golf India Charlie Echo Lima.
Golf India Charlie Echo Lima, good day. Heathrow, hold north of Sipson.
Holding north of Sipson, Golf Echo Lima.
Right, so for the landing 27 right, you've got one there, one about 2 miles away,
Yeah.
one about 2 miles behind him. So this is where the new runway is going to be.
Right here.
Yeah, it's basically going to go all the way through that bit. It's going to be kind of offset a little bit up there. It goes over the M25, which is over there.
Right.
And then they're going to put the M25 under a tunnel through it. But I guess all of this gets...
Golf Echo Lima, from Sipson, route eastbound, remaining to the north of runway 27 right, please, towards the 27 right threshold.
From Sipson, route eastbound, remain north of the 27 right threshold, Golf Echo Lima.
Golf Echo Lima, your traffic is Qatari A350 on a 1.5 mile final, report visual.
Visual. Yeah. Visual, Golf Echo Lima.
Echo Lima, thanks. Qatari 1 Hotel, runway 27 right, clear to land, 300 degrees, 8 knots.
27 right, clear to land, sorry, 1 Hotel.
Golf Echo Lima, behind the landing, Qatari A350, you're cleared to cross, 27 right, and then route east of the threshold, runway 27 left.
After the landing traffic, route southbound of 27 right and 27 left, Golf Echo Lima.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile.
Look at that.
That's the Qatari down
So
there.
we cleared across already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chinese at 533, continue approach, helicopter traffic, crossing right to left at the threshold now.
Copy, continue approach tonight at 533.
Bit of Concorde down there. You see Concorde there?
Yeah, that's cool.
Qatari 1 Hotel, vacate left, please contact line 121-9005.
If I kid left on grind 21905, Qatari 1 Hotel, thanks,
And Golf Echo Lima, join Hotel 9 southbound, confirming that's the routing for you.
If I've joined Hotel 9 southbound, Golf Echo Lima.